Every presidential limousine begins with military-grade materials engineered for maximum protection. Today's journey starts where raw strength is created. Only certified aerospace and military-grade materials enter the production line. Every batch is verified before manufacturing begins. Precision positioning ensures every armored panel meet exact dimensions. The cutting process begins with micron-level accuracy. High-powered fiber lasers shape the armored foundation. Every cut is controlled with extreme precision. Every edge is refined before assembly. Smooth surfaces improve both safety and structural accuracy. Laser inspection guarantees every component matches its digital design. Only perfect panels continue forward. Immense hydraulic force forms the limousine's armored structure. Each bend follows exact engineering tolerances. Robotic welding creates an exceptionally rigid armored foundation. Precision automation ensures consistent structural strength. Titanium reinforcement enhances both strength and durability. The armored frame grows stronger with every layer. Controlled heat treatment stabilizes the armored chassis. This process prepares the frame for decades of service. Every welded surface is thoroughly cleaned for maximum coating adhesion. A flawless foundation begins with a perfectly prepared chassis. A specialized protective coating shields the armored structure from corrosion. The process ensures long-term durability in every climate. Controlled curing permanently bonds the protective coating. The armored frame is now ready for structural verification.
Three-dimensional laser scanning confirms absolute manufacturing precision. Only perfectly aligned chassis continue to the next stage.
The blast-resistant floor forms a critical layer of presidential protection. Next, the armored body structure begins taking shape. The reinforced chassis now receives its armored body framework. Laser-guided positioning guarantees perfect structural alignment. Automated welding creates a seamless armored safety cage. Every joint is engineered for maximum structural integrity. Reinforced pillars strengthen the passenger safety cell. They form the backbone of the armored cabin. Roof rails unite every pillar into one continuous protective structure. The armored body is becoming increasingly rigid. The armored roof seals the presidential safety cell. Every weld strengthens the vehicle's protective shell. Advanced inspection verifies every hidden weld. Structural perfection is confirmed before assembly continues.
The limousine's doors begin as solid armored steel. Every frame is precision cut for exact fit.
Plitch of length. The limousine's doors begin as solid armored steel. Every frame is precision cut for exact fit. Specialized hinges support the exceptional weight of armored doors. Every fastener is tightened with computer-controlled precision. Precision installation ensures effortless operation despite the heavy armor. Every movement is tested for perfect alignment. Uniform panel gaps reflect exceptional engineering precision. Final adjustments prepare the doors for protective sealing. Specialized seals enhance protection against dust, water, and external threats. They also improve cabin isolation. The window frames are engineered to support extremely heavy ballistic glass. Precision installation is essential for future sealing. Every ballistic glass panel is meticulously inspected to ensure exceptional optical clarity and manufacturing precision. The armored cabin now receives its transparent protective shield. Next, the limousine gains the powerful mechanical systems that bring it to life. The armored body is now ready for its powerful heart. Every engine is electronically verified before installation. Robotic precision ensures perfect engine alignment. The reinforced chassis securely supports the powerful drivetrain. Every mounting bolt is tightened with computer-controlled accuracy. This guarantees long-term reliability under extreme conditions. The transmission is carefully integrated with the engine. Precision alignment ensures smooth power delivery.
Precision fastening locks the powertrain into one integrated unit. The drivetrain is now ready to transfer power.
The driveshaft delivers engine power efficiently through the drivetrain. Every connection is balanced for smooth operation.
The differential distributes power evenly to the driven wheels. It is engineered to support the limousine's substantial weight.
Adaptive air suspension maintains stability despite the armored weight. It delivers comfort without sacrificing protection.
The front suspension enhances steering precision and ride control. Every component is engineered for exceptional durability. Powerful braking systems are essential for an armored presidential vehicle. Every component is built for reliable stopping performance. Hydraulic testing ensures instant brake response. The system is carefully purged of every air pocket. An advanced cooling system protects the engine under demanding conditions. Efficient thermal management supports reliable performance. Precision steering provides confident control of the armored vehicle. The system is calibrated for accuracy and responsiveness. The protected fuel system is engineered for safety and reliability. Every connection is verified before operation.
The presidential limousine comes to life as its powertrain passed the first operational test.
The mechanical systems are complete. Attention now shifts to creating a secure and luxurious presidential cabin. Advanced insulation creates an exceptionally quiet passenger environment. It also improves thermal efficiency and ride comfort. Thousands of electrical connections power the limousine's advanced systems. Every harness is routed for reliability and serviceability. Electronic control modules coordinate every major vehicle function. Each unit is verified before interior panels are installed. A sophisticated climate control system maintains passenger comfort. Filtered airflow is delivered throughout the executive cabin. The premium carpet enhances comfort while reducing cabin noise. Every edge is hand-finished for a perfect fit.
Natural wood veneer adds timeless elegance to the presidential interior. Each panel is individually inspected and polished.
Hand-finished wood transforms the armored cabin into a refined executive space. Craftsmanship is visible in every detail. Premium leather is hand-fitted for exceptional quality. Every stitch reflects meticulous craftsmanship. Every presidential seat combines luxury with advanced ergonomic engineering. Comfort and durability are built into every layer.
The handcrafted seats are positioned with exceptional precision. They become the centerpiece of the executive cabin.
The executive console centralizes passenger comfort and control. It integrates seamlessly with the limousine's electronic systems. Advanced communication systems support secure executive operations. Every electronic function is carefully verified. Ambient lighting enhances both comfort and visibility. Every lighting zone is digitally calibrated.
Executive interior is now complete, combining security with exceptional craftsmanship. Next, the limousine enters its final finishing, testing and delivery stages.
The limousine now enters the final finishing stage. Every surface is perfected before premium paint application. A flawless primer creates the foundation for the final finish. Every layer is applied with robotic precision. The iconic exterior finish is built through multiple precision paint layers. Uniform coverage ensures exceptional depth and brilliance. A ceramic clear coat protects the paint from weather and wear. The curing process locks in long-lasting brilliance.
Hand finishing complements robotic precision. The mirror finish reflects the craftsmanship beneath.
Run-flat tires ensure continued mobility in demanding situations. Each wheel is secured with precision-controlled torque. Precise alignment delivers confident handling and tire longevity. Every adjustment is measured to microscopic tolerances. Advanced testing verifies every mechanical system under controlled conditions. The limousine must perform flawlessly before approval. Extreme weather testing confirms the integrity of every seal. The executive cabin remains completely protected. Thousands of electronic functions are verified one final time. Every system must achieve complete operational approval. Final detailing revealed the limousine in its completed form. Every visible surface reflects uncompromising quality. Every department contributes to the final quality inspection. Only fully approved vehicles proceed to delivery. Protective coverings preserve the flawless finish during transport. The presidential limousine is now ready to leave the factory. Months of engineering and craftsmanship culminate in one extraordinary vehicle. The presidential limousine is ready for its official mission. From raw military-grade materials to a fully assembled presidential limousine, every stage precision,